Hello friends, I am Divyesh Rajesh More and here I am back with one another video. So today we are discussing banking sector in share market. So first we are discussing introduction. The banking system consists 12 public sector banks, 22 private sector banks and 46 foreign banks, 56 regional rural banks, 1485 urban cooperative banks and 96,000 rural cooperative banks in addition to cooperative credit institution in share market. The banking system consists of public sector, private sector and foreign sector. They also include regional rural bank, urban bank, etc. in addition to cooperative credit institution. Next we are discussing which bank listed in National Stock Exchange. So these are the 15 banks which are listed in National Stock Exchange: Axis Bank, Bank of India, Canara Bank, Citibank, HDFC Bank, Hong Kong and Shanghai Bank, ICICI Bank, IDBI Bank, IndusInd Bank, JP Morgan Chase Bank, Kotak Mahindra, Standard Chartered Bank, State Bank of India and Union Bank of India. So we are discussing State Bank of India. SBI, State Bank of India, is an Indian multinational public sector bank and financial service statutory body headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. SBI is 43rd largest bank in the world and ranked 236 in Fortune Global 500 list of the world biggest corporation of 2019. It is a nationalized bank. It is the largest in India with a 23rd% market share by an assets and 25% of the total loans and deposit market. SBI of India provides various banking products and services to individual, commercial enterprises, corporate, public sector and institutional customer in India. The company operates through treasury, corporate banking, retail banking, insurance business and any another business banking business segment. So these are the pros and cons, advantage and disadvantages of SBI in share market. In many less advantage in share market by SBI. Stock is trading at 0.96 times its book value and different disadvantages in share market by SBI. First, to the company is reporting repeated profit, it is not paying out dividend. The SBI cannot pay dividend to its shareholder. Company has low interest coverage ratio. The coverage ratio is very low. The company has delivered a poor growth of 5.35% over past 5 years. The company cannot grow in last 5 years. The company has low return on equity on share, that is 2.44% for last 3 years. Here we are discussing stock market data. SBI captured 2,38,153 crores. Current share price of SBI is 266.85 and which is high and low comparison 268.85 and lower 264.65. Stock price to equity ratio is 10.14. Book value of share is 263.59. The company cannot pay dividend to its shareholder, so dividend ratio is 0%. Return on capital employed is 4.99%. Return on equity is 7.27% and face value of share is 1 rupees. Thank you.